Fybogel sachets are a laxative medication used for the treatment of constipation and to maintain regular bowel movements. The active ingredient is ispaghula husk absorbs water in the intestines, forming a gel-like substance that adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. Ispaghula husk is a natural source of dietary fiber and belongs to the group of bulk-forming laxatives. Indications: Fybogel sachets are indicated for the relief of constipation and for the management of long-term irregular bowel movements, chronic constipation. They are also used to treat conditions where easy bowel movements are required, such as in hemorrhoids and anal fissures. How to use: Fybogel sachets are for oral use. Pour the contents of one sachet into a glass of cold water and stir until dissolved. Drink it immediately. The usual dosage is 1 sachet 1 to 3 times daily, or as directed by a healthcare professional. For children over 6 years old, the recommended dosage is half to 1 sachet 1 to 3 times daily, or as directed by a healthcare professional. Contraindications: Don't use Fybogel sachets if you are allergic to ispaghula husk or any ingredients in the product. Avoid Fybogel sachets if you have difficulty swallowing or have experienced bowel obstruction or impaction. Special instructions: Ensure you drink plenty of fluid throughout the day while using Fybogel sachets to prevent dehydration. Don't take Fybogel sachets immediately before bedtime, as they may cause bloating or gas. It is best to take them at least 30 minutes before meals. Fybogel is not suitable for treating sudden severe constipation. If you experience severe symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Side effects: Common side effects of Fybogel may include bloating, gas, and mild abdominal discomfort. Allergic reactions to ispaghula husk are rare but may occur. Seek medical attention if you develop signs of an allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, or difficulty breathing. Please note that Fybogel sachets are a medication for the relief of constipation and should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Always read the product label and follow the recommended dosage and instructions. If you have any concerns or questions about using Fybogel sachets, consult with a qualified healthcare provider.